Hey guys, so we are doing spelling lesson 34 today. I'm gonna go ahead and do the presentation like I usually do. It's your Harvard book, page 201 and page 202. I'm gonna go over the words starting on page 201. I'm gonna explain to you the meaning and let's get started, okay? Animal. Animal. An animal, obviously, you know, it's like a dog, an elephant, or a cat. It's just an animal, not a human, so it's an animal. A crystal. A crystal's usually like, it looks like a diamond, so it's really, really, really shiny, and it's usually expensive. Digestion. Digestion is what happens when you eat something and it gets processed in your stomach, okay? An eclipse. Eclipse. Like when, have you seen an eclipse, like a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse where the sun goes in between the earth and the moon? That's an eclipse. Expand, to make big, to, if it's small, then it goes big. That's what expand means. An experiment. Experiment is like in science when you have an idea and you try it out. So you're trying to see if it's going to do good, if it's going to be a good idea or a bad one. So you're going to experiment it. You're going to try it, okay? Humid. Humid is usually when it's really hot and sticky and it gets hot and you get all sticky. That's what humid means. Humidity is the amount of water in the air. All right, so sometimes when you go outside in the mornings, the humidity is really high because it's getting warm, but there's water in the air. A magnet. A magnet is something that sticks stuff together to metal. You know what a magnet is? It's usually on like your fridge or anything metal. You put it on there and it'll stick together, okay? The next one is microscope. Microscope. Microscope is used to look at small things, right? That's what a microscope is. An orbit. Orbit. When we talked about the planets, you know, the line, that imaginary line where the planets travel on. Oxygen. Oxygen. Oxygen is what we breathe in. The air that we breathe in has oxygen in it. A planet. Earth is a planet, Mars is a planet, Jupiter is a planet. So all 8 planets in our solar system, okay? Don't worry about protein. We're not doing protein. The next one is root. Root. So when a tree, that stuff that's in the ground that holds a tree together and where the tree gets its nutrients and water from, it's called a root. A root. All right. And the last one is a skeleton. A skeleton is what holds us together, but it's also what holds stuff together. So a skeleton would be your head, your back, your arms, your fingers. That's all part of your skeleton. All right. So go ahead and put the words in here, page 201 and 202. Based on what I just told you, go ahead and look at the PowerPoint so you can see pictures and see what the words mean. All right. Next thing we have to do is our dictation number 1. So go ahead and take care of these pages. Go look at the PowerPoint, look at the pictures, get familiar with it, and we'll go ahead and take care of the dictation. All right. Good luck.